Yeah, what up? It's Chris. I hope you're doing well. So, social media, right? I don't think it has a lot of us excited. And as a creator and as a person that likes to make a lot of different things, I am finding the time and effort that goes into social media to be an endless experience of diminishing returns. Now, don't get me wrong. I remember when you had to print CDs or you had to get tapes made up. You could not record in your house. So I am hyped that I can make a beat on my phone. Me and the homie can record ourselves on our phone, put it in the computer, make a beat, record it ourselves, and then push a button and it goes out all the way around the world. So that's dope. But my art requires more than a 12-second attention span. My art is more than just content that's next to a squirrel on a motorbike. The creative collaborations that I participate in are about real people, like that have real lives and real experiences and culture and history. And even more, honestly, there's spirituality and depth and universal energy involved in it to me. And I don't want people to be confused. I want people to understand that what I'm making means something to me. And if it means something to you and we connect, that may be a fleeting experience, but it also could be a lifetime connection. And I'd like to foster more avenues for those connections. I'd like to do more person-to-person art. I'd like to do more things in person with people. I'd like to make sure my time spent on the internet is not happenstance. It's not a byproduct of, well, I made a song, now I have to make a video to promote it on this platform that doesn't want to pay artists in the first place. What I'd rather do is make what I love, share it with people that enjoy it, and be experimental. Try new things. Not just look up, here are the top 10 ways to grow my page, channel, platform, but really spend my time and effort in making art that's connective, exploring myself and really understanding what haven't I yet excavated and what more can I do to flesh out myself as an artist, and accept that I'm a multidisciplinary artist. I enjoy writing books. I enjoy taking photos. I enjoy making music. I enjoy making beats, but like hip hop, but I also love ambient modular synth stuff. I don't want to have to figure out a genre to put it on a shelf for a company that uses a black box algorithm. What I'd like to do is make what I love and share it with people and use as many tools as possible to share it with people, but retain the coherence, retain the context of my song in a playlist is not how I envision my art connecting with people. I'm glad you can put my song on a playlist, but I really want you to be at the show and see the sweat and feel the energy when I exchange the song. I at least would want you to hear the song in context of the other material and then thoughts and experiences and understand how it sits with me as an artist. So we're gonna do it. January 1st, I'm afraid, but I'll put my connectivity in your hands as the people out there, and I will be directing less and less attention from these short, kind of like micro platforms where it's little quick things, and try to focus on long form content and focus on going direct to the people that want to rock with me. All right, so peace and love. I'll see you soon.